Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 13 from the chapter of System of Particles and Rotational Motion. The topic is the calculation of angular momentum of a system of particles. And based on this topic, I have one question for this session, which is written here on this board. So the question here is: two particles of mass small m are fixed at the ends of a rod of length L. The rod is clamped at the center and it is rotated clockwise about the perpendicular bisector of the rod at an angular speed of omega. So the angular momentum of the system about the axis of rotation is. तो यहाँ चार ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं and we have to find the correct option. So ये एक rod है. This is the rod and A and B are the two ends of the rod. O is the center of the rod. Now one particle of mass m is fixed at the point A of the rod and another particle of mass m is fixed at the point B of the rod. O is the center of the rod and the rod is clamped at the center, that is, it is clamped at this point O and it is rotated clockwise about the perpendicular bisector of the rod. So this is the perpendicular bisector which I am making here, that is P dash. So P dash is the perpendicular bisector of this rod and the rod is rotated clockwise like this with an angular speed of omega. So we have to find the angular momentum of the system about the axis of rotation. Now this rod is rotating about this point O. It is rotating clockwise and it is rotating clockwise about this perpendicular bisector. Now since the rod is rotating clockwise, so the angular momentum, the orientation of the angular momentum will also be clockwise. Now the angular momentum of the system, that is, now the symbol of the angular momentum is L. So the angular momentum of the system will be due to the angular momentum due to this particle of mass m which is fixed at the point A and the angular momentum due to the particle of mass m which is fixed at the point B. So this will be equal to, now angular momentum is equal to mvr. The formula for the angular momentum is m into v into r, and here v is the linear velocity, m is the mass of the particle, and r is what? The r will be the distance of this particle from this point of rotation. So in this case it will be equal to L by 2. So the angular momentum due to this particle of mass m at the point A will be equal to m. Now v is equal to r omega. So this will be equal to r omega into r. So this is the angular momentum due to this particle of mass m at the point A plus the angular momentum due to this particle of mass m at the point B. So this is equal to m r omega into r. Now here r will be equal to L by 2. So the angular momentum of the system will be equal to m, r is equal to L by 2. So this becomes m omega r square. Now r square will be equal to L by 2 square. This will be equal to L square by 4 plus m omega L square by 4. So the angular momentum of the system will be equal to, this will be equal to 1 by 2 m omega L square. So the correct option here is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of angular momentum. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.